Hey, how's it going? Tony here at Pathfinder Digital Marketing. So, we're going to go over a few things about how to add your YouTube channel to your Google Ads account. Now, there are two ways to do this. One is to do it yourself in your Google Ads dashboard, which is what this is, and it's something you should be seeing here. Second is having an agency do it. So I'm an agency, and a lot of times my clients, they hire me to run their Google Ads, and so I will send a request. And this is a little bit how to connect it to make sure everything works well together. And you're going to want to do this. Why is this so important? Well, the biggest reason is, first of all, you have to have royalty-free content. So it has to be on your YouTube channel or a YouTube channel you have permission to use or content you have permission to use. Now, normally, if it's royalty-free content for some of your franchise owners out there, then you should have that stuff on your YouTube channel with permission to use it. That's rule number one. Please just make your own content. Second is tracking, proof of work. You kind of don't have to. We can kind of just run a YouTube ad, but that's just a lazy way to do it. So I'm going to talk you through this. This might be a little bit lengthy of a video, and we're going to go over both processes and how to do this yourself, and then what to expect when an agency does it for you. And what you're seeing right here is one of my demo accounts that I do training on. All right, so this will be a little bit of education so you know what to expect if you're working with the agency. We're going to go the agency route first because that requires you to approve the linkage. So, as an agency owner, I'll go to your Google Ads account. Then we're going to go primarily be dealing up here in this area, Tools, Ads, and Settings. Go there. Then we're going to go to Linked Accounts. And if you're in here on your own, don't be overwhelmed by this. Some of these apply to you, some of these do not. We're just worried about YouTube. And just depending on your screen where it's at, you're going to be looking for this right here. We'll go here, and as an agency owner, remember this is me doing it on your behalf. We're going to add a channel. You're going to give me your channel. This is my channel. This is where you're probably watching this video on, and hopefully you are subscribed to. That. And then that should come up. This is the YouTube channel. So as an agent owner, I don't own this channel, but I am doing it on your behalf. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to type in the email here, and we should. So if you did this properly, YouTube, and there's another video that I have on how to properly set up your YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to get that. And normally it's just one email. So if we go to the About section, this is the email associated to this YouTube channel. Remember, every time you have a Gmail account, by default, that Gmail account has a YouTube profile already made. It's just a matter of fact, this is a matter of you, the business owner, going in and setting it up properly. But that's another video for another time. Go. Oops. You don't want to copy it, or just type it in. And this is the request message. I would like to link my Google Ads account to your YouTube channel, blah, 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 tech Tony me. Send request. All right, now give me a second here. All right, so you're gonna wanna go to the email associated with your Google Ads account. And remember, hopefully you have everything normalized. If not, we have a problem. Anyways, you should get this email. Sometimes, let me pull something up here. On Google, you'll see a tab that says social. Sometimes that email will end up in there under the social tab. I've never seen it go to promotions. I have seen that email go to spam or trash. Just check for it. You're looking for this right here, Google Ads. All right, click there. You're gonna look something like this. And obviously your agency owner, your agency will communicate with you, hey, be on the lookout for this email. You know, this is what you're looking for. Review link request. It's going to open up your account. Under YouTube, Google Ads account linking. You are about to link the account. There's your digit number to channel Tech Tony. And you're going to want to leave these open. Engagement, remarketing, view counts. We want all that fun jazz. And link. Okay. And then on my side of things, I'll get an email alert as well. We're going to go back here. Go back in here. Oops, not access and security. And then boom, maybe you might have to refresh the page. But there it is. Now we're linked. We could run your ads and get that sweet, sweet data that we so direly need to make your ads very effective. Now, the other way. Actually, while we're at it, to unlink a channel, you just click unlink. Yes, unlink. Hit refresh. And then it's going to be unlinked. Now, to link it, if you're doing it yourself, once again, go into your Google Ads account. Tools and settings. That's up here. Linked accounts. Find YouTube. Go to your details. Add channel. Nope. That's my email. And then you tell Google, I own this channel, because you're probably just linking together. It's a smart move anyways. Go to YouTube. Same thing. Now you're doing it yourself. Tech Tony. Link. Let YouTube load. Account linked and save. You see that down here? Right there. That's what you're looking for. Go back here. You might have to refresh, and there it is. Now it's linked. So, questions or concerns, hit me up on Twitter at HI_TechTony if this doesn't work for you, or hit me up on my own YouTube channel, which is what you're looking for here, Tech Tony. And if you have any questions or concerns, hopefully this works out for you and it works. So take care. Have a nice day.